I've got a broken window screen. I'm going to be using this stuff, which is Amazon's Choice window screen repair kit, DIY, to fix the screen. Got a little chip up here. I'll show you what we've got. There it is. Can you see that? I just try and get it to focus on this card. Yeah, there's the chip, look. And if I show you from the back, yeah, it's a bit more clearer here. Good. There, you can see it there, look. Yeah, there's the chip, look. And it's quite a good one. It's not huge. It's about 12mm from top to bottom. It's got a little line that's going off to the side there, and again just a small one that's coming this way as well. Inside the car at the minute is the old faithful hot air blower, just heating it up. It's Baltic today. It's around about, well, it's just above freezing. We've got a good frost. So I'm just warming the car up, warming the glass up slightly. Just starting to, it's just warm to the touch now. I don't want to do it cold, otherwise this resin won't go off. So yeah, that is just feel the heat, just a little bit coming through. Let's get this on here and see if we can't get rid of this crack. Right, so what do we get in the kit? Let's have a look. We've got some instructions. Got a little razor blade. We've got the sucky adapter, and we've got the solution and the tap there. So we're going to stick that to the screen. We'll wind that through, hopefully. Yeah, we'll wind that through, and the little rubber adapter there touches the glass. Put the solution in and then push it through with this plunger to force it to the screen. We've got some little strips here as well. At the end of the job, we just put a bit of those over the top and then cure it and then scrape it off. So yeah, that looks good. Let's go with it, see what happens. Put a little bit of water on these. Line it up. Let's just get that through. You want to get the plunger right in the middle of that, the bullseye. So I reckon I've got that directly above where the crack is. Yeah, that looks to be spot on its positioning there. I remove the plunger. Let's just take the top off of this. Snap the head off. Okay, it's 4 to 6 drops into there, so let's drop some of that in. Oh no, not yet. We've got to screw it down first. Well, we'll screw that down to the screen and make sure it's on to the glass. Okay, like that. Now we'll pop the drops in. There's plenty there. Just look back on that a minute. Okay, then we'll screw the plunger in until we've got a little bit of pressure. Okay. I can just see the crack is at the bottom there. Looks like it's probably got a little bit of dirt in it as well. It's a little bit black. It has been a week since it happened. Might just put a little bit more pressure on that. We'll leave that now for a few minutes and see if it works its way in. Yeah, I really wanted to get it done as soon as possible, especially now this frost has come in. The screen was frozen earlier with ice, and if that gets in and then the sun gets at it and it cracks it, it'll just ruin the screen. And this one was only put in 18 months ago, so hopefully this will do something and cure that. Okay, so we're getting there. I think I've just got a little cigarette lighter. I'll just put a little bit of warmth to the back of that. Yeah, that's working. Yeah, that's definitely made a difference. I can see that going. Just a tiny little bit left now on the bottom. Yeah, it's going in, I think. That's definitely made a difference to it. Can you see that? That looks brilliant. Let's give it a couple more minutes. I'm looking with my naked eye, I can just see a tiny, tiny bit just at the end of the point there. Just tighten that down a tiny bit more. Just going to have a cup of tea, then come back. Okay, so it's been on there a while, so I'm just going to crack this off the plunger to release any trapped air that's there. I'll have another look at the screen. Go again. Okay, so this has been on, it's had a good 10-15 minutes now. It was about 5 past and we're on 17 minutes now, so we've got to remove it. We've got to remove the applicator and then use one of the strips to put over the top and then let it go off completely. Okay, let's remove it now then. There we go, you can just see the little blob of resin that's left there. Now we've got this little sheet. And what I'm going to do, I don't think I need to put any more, probably just a tiny little drop more on. Like that. And then I put the sheet on and just give it a little whizzy round like that. And push that. Spread that all out like that. And you can see I've got the sheet on. Let's get something to focus on. Okay, there you go, got the sheet on and the resin is now underneath that. Just spread that round a bit and let that go off. So from the inside, I can still see the crack there. Obviously we've got the sheet on, but it'd be interesting to know what that looks like once we've took the sheet off. So we need to leave that for 20 minutes now, and hopefully that will go off nice and hard, and then we can scrape it off with the scraper. So it's the morning, the day after doing the repair on the screen. I left the car with a heater in it all night. No, it's still soft. It still didn't go off. So I've been up to the wife's bedroom and I've stolen her UV nail dryer hardener. It's worked wonders. It's worked wonders. It's now actually going off. The only trouble is this only stays on for 90 seconds. So I want to give it the full 15 minutes. I'm having to keep coming out and pressing it to get it to light. But it is working. It is working. It was, when I peeled the plastic off this morning, still soft. Not even dried and nothing. You know, it was just as soft as when I put it on yesterday. But hopefully, like I say, this now is going to do the trick. The thing is, it's a really cold, it's a winter's day, it's cold, it's -1 at the minute. Even though the screen feels warm because I've got the heater on inside the car, the outside temperature is really cold. No UV light getting from the sun, very, very little. The sun's come up this morning, but it's not really getting a lot, it's cold. So, yeah, if you are doing this, if you've got this kit, and it's not a blinding hot summer's day, you will need to get a UV light. I'll pop links in the description for one of these. I don't think they were that expensive. It's very cheap and Amazon-y like, you know, it's a very cheap bit of kit, but it seems to be working. It's got these UV LEDs inside it. Okay, so that's coming up for, it's going to switch off again in a second. I'll move it out of the way and we'll have a look and see if it's gone off yet. Here we go. Come on in and have a look. Okay, so here's the stuff now, and if I just lift it, you can hear now it's sticking and it's gone white. So I'm pretty sure that now has gone off. Yeah, it's leaving a residue. Let's take this off then. Let's peel this plastic off. Yeah, finally it has gone off. Do you know that? Didn't have to take some drying. Let's go and get the scraper. I do find it quite bizarre how we left it all night. You know, it's had a good 10 hours and it didn't go off at all, and yet 20 minutes with the UV and it's going off. Well, it's gone off like now. You see, now I can scrape the residue off, which I couldn't do that a minute ago. Yeah, lovely. You can see what we've taken off there. Oh, we've just got a little bit of glass cleaner. And the outcome of that looks pretty good. I just get to focus on the... You can just see there. We go from the inside. See the little heater I had on all night. Trying to keep it warm in here. Okay, and focus. There you go. You can see that there. Has it improved it? Probably a tiny bit. But it's definitely got the resin in there, and hopefully that'll stop it cracking further. I'll try and do a before and after. Let me go and get the cardboard. That was exactly the same. Okay, so that was the card that I was focusing on originally when I did the first. And you can see there's a definite improvement in the chip. So I think I need to polish the inside because it's got a bit of a stain on there from the lighter. Let's give this a quick rub. There we go. Right then. Okay, let's get it to focus now. Yeah, you can see there it is, look. I think it's definitely made a difference to it. And even if it's sealed it to stop it getting water in and then cracking with the frost. From this side you can really see the difference. This is before the repair and then this is after, and that is a really good result. It's really noticeable from the front and it's sealed it up lovely. I suppose the other thing to say is I did have a chip repaired on the old window screen down at Auto Glass, and it didn't look too much different to that. It wasn't a perfect repair, so I think we're quite happy with that. Well, there we have it. We've got success at the end of the day. We did get that thing to cure, and it has sealed up the crack in the screen. So I suppose the lesson is don't buy that without buying one of these. You've got to use them both together. You need that UV light to cure this stuff. It won't go off without it. So if that's been of use, drop me some comments. Always love your comments. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.